Aging is a beautiful journey, but only when our bodies feel strong, energized, and pain-free. If you're over 60, getting the right vitamins can make a world of difference in how you feel each day. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Eleanor Hayes, a geriatric health specialist with over 25 years of experience helping seniors live healthier, stronger lives. Today, I'm sharing the most important vitamins your body needs after age 60 and how you can get them through food and supplements.
As we age, our body absorbs nutrients differently. Our bones, immune system, heart, and brain all need extra support. That's why it's essential to focus on vitamins that boost strength, prevent disease, and support longevity. Key reasons seniors need vitamin support: decreased nutrient absorption, slower metabolism, bone loss and joint pain, memory decline and brain fog, weaker immune response. Now we break down the top 8 essential vitamins for seniors with full explanation, food sources, and supplement tips. Vitamin D, the bone and immunity booster. Let's start with one of the most critical nutrients for older adults, vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin, this powerful nutrient plays a crucial role in bone health, immune function, and even mental clarity, especially for seniors. Why vitamin D is so important for seniors? As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. Combined with reduced outdoor activity, this makes many older adults become deficient without even realizing it. Vitamin D does 3 powerful things for seniors. A. Enhances calcium absorption. Without vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium properly, leading to weaker bones, osteopenia, and osteoporosis. B. Strengthens the immune system. It supports the production of infection-fighting cells, helping seniors resist colds, flu, and even chronic inflammation. C. Improves muscle and balance function. Low vitamin D is linked to muscle weakness, increased fall risk, and slow recovery from injuries. D. Supports brain and mood health. Several studies link low vitamin D levels to cognitive decline, depression, and fatigue in older adults. Warning: common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency in seniors. Many seniors don't realize they're deficient until problems arise. Symptoms include chronic fatigue, muscle pain or cramps, frequent infections or slow healing, depression or low mood, bone pain or frequent fractures, trouble walking or poor balance. Over 50% of adults over age 65 are deficient in vitamin D. It's one of the most silent threats to senior mobility and independence. Best natural sources of vitamin D. Since food sources of vitamin D are limited, seniors should try a combination of sunlight, diet, and supplements. Green sunlight exposure. 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight on arms and legs 3 to 4 times a week. Ideal time: mid-morning or late afternoon. Seniors with darker skin may need more time to absorb sufficient levels. Supplement guidelines for seniors. Since most diets and lifestyle habits can't meet the full need, supplementation is often necessary, but should be guided by a doctor. Recommended daily dose for seniors. Adults 60 plus, 800 to 2,000 IU per day. Some with deficiencies may need up to 4,000 IU per day under medical supervision. Check with a doctor for a blood test before supplementing heavily. Warning: too much vitamin D can cause toxicity, leading to kidney problems or calcium buildup in the blood. Vitamin D and brain health. Research shows strong links between vitamin D and reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, and age-related cognitive decline.
Seniors with low vitamin D are more likely to report confusion, forgetfulness, poor decision-making, low energy, or fogginess. Vitamin D and fall prevention. Multiple studies confirm that seniors who supplement with vitamin D are less likely to fall and more likely to retain mobility. A 2-year clinical study found that seniors taking 800 IU per day of vitamin D had a 19% lower risk of falling compared to those who didn't supplement. Quick recap on vitamin D. Crucial for bone strength, muscle function, immunity, and brain health. Main sources are sunlight, fatty fish, fortified dairy, and supplements. Daily need is 800 to 2,000 IU based on individual health and exposure. Best taken with a meal containing fat to increase absorption.